strange looking and nondescript piece of technology is something that is surprisingly important, and it's the thing that I know when I go back to my latex printers after being on the road for a week, they're going to run flawlessly. I'm going to walk up to the printer. I'm not going to do any test prints. I don't do any evaluation prints to wonder if my printer is running perfectly because the optical drop detection, the ODD, does this for me. Latex printers, when you start a print or when you initiate a cleaning, so if you do a print head cleaning, the optical drop detection is initiated. It's going to check to make sure that all of the nozzles are working. Anytime you have a question about whether nozzles are working or you're concerned that you have banding, do a cleaning. The cleaning will initiate the optical drop detection routine. It takes about 30 seconds. And it checks every nozzle to ensure that the nozzle is functioning. If it does not respond after a couple pulses, it sets the nozzle aside and replaces it with another nozzle. Because we have such redundancy of nozzles, we can place new nozzles in place of nozzles that are no longer working. It's a fairly binary system. It's on or it's off. So if the nozzle's off, it replaces it with another nozzle. We have many extra nozzles. That means that when you go to do your print, the prints are always on. Everything is working flawlessly. I don't have to go through a bunch of purge and clean after being away for a short period of time. The latex printers are always ready to go. Some of that is the virtue of the water-based thermal print heads, but also the optical drop detection plays a role in that. The optical drop detection is also initiated when you do your first print, usually in the morning, and make sure that everything is working fine. It adds a slight extra amount of time, but it's hardly noticeable, and it's a very valuable service that this little device plays. Optical drop detection, it's unique to HP, it's something that we do, and it makes sure your printer is always working perfectly. If you have any doubts, or you think you might have some nozzles out, just do a cleaning. And one of the other nice things is, if you think that your cleaning really is only, say, needed in black or yellow, you can isolate that cleaning so you're not wasting any more ink.